I think this is where the slushie is supposed to be, and it's closed, which is maybe due to the fact that Test Track is closed too. I'm a little surprised. Oh well. Guess we'll have to try later and see if it opens back up. It must be closed due to Test Track being closed.
Must be.
Not sure. Annual Passholder Exclusive. Right now.
We need a Blue Raspberry Annual Passholder Slushy. Parking people like the card, you guys like the app. Disney World.
Perfect. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Very nice. Oh, look at that. We get little things.
First it's gonna snow. And then a blizzard.
So cute.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. You didn't even know they had that, so
didn't know
it
they had
surprised you.
Thank you, TikTok. Oh my God.
This is the Annual Passholder Figment Slushy.
So the best part about Teresa looking on TikTok and finding this cool stuff is I have a slushie I have to drink.
Hey, you didn't even know that they had one. And I was like, we gotta find this. He thought it was crazy, actually, I think he
We
did.
bought a slushie for the cup, but it's okay. It's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
And as you can see by my popcorn bucket,
We're annual pass holders.
I am always willing to buy annual pass holder gear.
Exactly. This is one of those things that makes Joe happy because he likes the annual pass holder stuff. We didn't make it over to get the magnets yet. So we'll see if we make it there at Animal Kingdom. If not, don't they send them in the mail?
No, this is a collection to get a bunch of ones we missed.
Oh, we gotta go over there, I guess. So,
There's like
yeah.
3 different ones we get to pick up that we haven't gotten because they didn't send them to us.
Oh, gotta do it.
Because they were only pickups.
All right. Well, I'm glad I saw the video last night and we were able to get the cup. Well, actually, then we saw a lady up here that had one, and we're like, "Where'd you get that?" We were thinking it was at the other kiosk.